Morning folks, Kevin here. Well, it's May 5th, 2025. I do miss having an enclosed workshop to do some projects in. And it just got done pouring a little while ago. So one of the things I need to do is to make some protective perimeters for some of the seeds that we started. So our different chestnut trees, our pawpaws, our shagbark hickory, and so on and so forth. And one of the things we always use is hardware cloth. So this is 1/2 inch hardware cloth here. Mine got destroyed in the building, so I ordered some more. Got 100 foot of the 48 inch, got 2 rolls of that. But one of the things I'm going to do is repurpose these windows that were in the aviary that I took apart recently. So what I'm going to do is take this outer board off. Hopefully it comes off without breaking up too much. I know that there's one that's damaged down there, but I'll take that off and then take the mesh, and this is a cloth mesh here. It's a netting. I'll remove that netting. That was so when a bird flew up against the netting, they wouldn't get damaged, and the distance between the metal wire here and the netting inside kept mammals from being able to reach in and grab a bird and be able to pull them through. So this worked very well for many years, and so I'm going to take it apart, salvage as much of the parts as possible, see if I can get some hardware cloth on it, and see if we can protect the seeds from the rodents, the squirrels, the chipmunks, and God knows who else. So here we go.
That old wood pile ain't just junk and dust. It's stories stacked and iron with rust. A broken gate, a splintered beam. To some it's trash, to me it's a dream. I see a bench, I see a shed, a future where folks see the past instead. A crack don't mean the value's gone, it just takes hands to carry on. I reuse and repurpose, give a new soul, turn the scrap heap into something whole. If it's got life, I'll find the spark, make it shine where others see dark. If I can't use it, I'll upcycle instead, paint it, fix it, bring it back from the dead. And if it's done, I still won't curse, I'll recycle it, send it back to the earth. Tin roof's bent and worn with time, but patch it right, it still keeps fine. Old hinges, screws, a busted chair, there's beauty hiding everywhere. Why buy new when the past still sings? Why waste the weight that wisdom brings? There's pride in saving what you can, that's how you walk like a mindful man. I reuse and repurpose, give a new soul, turn the scrap heap into something whole. If it's got life, I'll find the spark, make it shine where others see dark. If I can't use it, I'll upcycle instead, paint it, fix it, bring it back from the dead. And if it's done, I still won't curse, I'll recycle it, send it back to the earth. This land don't need more waste and greed, it needs more hands that plant the seed. Old fence wire makes a sturdy trellis, and every reuse story is worth it to tell us. I reuse and repurpose, honor what's worn, build something better than what was born. With a little work and a lot of heart, even broken things can play a part. If I can't fix it, I'll still find a way to give it back with thanks today. That's how we live, it's how we serve. Reuse, upcycle, and give the land what it deserves. He fell face down in the dirt again, tired hands, worn boots, and a busted chin. Laughed at by the crowd, left out in the cold, but there's something in him that won't let go. They called him crazy, said, son, give it up. But he kept showing up, kept calling their bluff. You don't get strong without breaking apart, and you don't get far without a stubborn heart. A winner's just a loser who kept on trying, who took all the hits but kept on rising. Blood on his knuckles, dirt in his teeth, is still chasing the dream no one else could see. It ain't about luck, it's about holding on. Yeah, a winner's just a loser who wouldn't be gone. He failed 100 times or more, learned what not to do behind every closed door. But every no just made him believe that the world still had one yes up its sleeve. He worked in the shadows while others slept, stacked bricks of mistakes till he built his step. He didn't wait for fate to arrive, he built his wings just to learn to fly. A winner's just a loser who kept on trying, who took all the hits but kept on rising. Blood on his knuckles, dirt in his teeth, is still chasing the dream no one else could see. It ain't about luck, it's about holding on. Yeah, a winner's just a loser who wouldn't be gone. You'll be counted out, pushed to the side, but the fire inside is your reason why. Keep getting up even when you're beat. Victory's found in the worst of defeat. 'Cause a winner's just a loser who kept on standing, took the long road with no one hand in. A single free mile or an easy break, he built his name with every mistake. So if you're down now, don't think you're done. A winner's just a loser who kept holding on. Yeah, a winner is just a loser who never let go and never stopped trying. Woke up with a dream burning in my soul. World's heavy on my shoulders, but I won't let it take control. Every step's a battle, every day's a fight, but I'm carving out my future in the darkness of the night. No shortcuts, no easy way, gotta grind, gotta seize the day. With my heart on fire, I'll never quit. Piece by piece, I'm building it. Hard work, consistency, focus, discipline, these are the keys to the life I'm gonna win. Step by step, I'm breaking the chain. Forever changed, I'll never be the same. Hard work, consistency, focus, discipline, turn my dreams to reality. Let the story begin. Sweat on my brow, but my eyes stay clear. Drowning out the doubts, I'm silencing the fear. Every sacrifice, every late night grind shapes the path ahead, leaves the past behind. No shortcuts, no easy way, gotta grind, gotta seize the day. With my heart on fire, I'll never quit. Piece by piece, I'm building it. Hard work, consistency, focus, discipline, these are the keys to the life I'm gonna win. Step by step, I'm breaking the chain. Forever change, I'll never be the same. Hard work, consistency, focus, discipline, turn my dreams to reality. Let the story begin. The road is long, but I'm stronger now. Each scar's a lesson, each fall shows me how. Discipline's my compass, focus is my guide. Consistency's the fuel that keeps my fire alive. all the keys to the life I'm gonna win. Step by step I'm breaking the chain. Forever change, I'll never be the same. Hard work, consistency, focus, discipline, turn my dreams to reality. Let the story begin. And now I'm standing tall with my heart held high. Built a better life beneath the open sky. Hard work, consistency, focus, discipline, changed my life forever. Now the future's mine to spin. I was raised by the kind who don't waste daylight, who lace up their boots and do what is right. Built on backbone, not on dreams in the sky. If it needed doing, you didn't ask why. I carried that torch through the wind and the rain, shouldered the burdens, worked through the pain. But even the steady can stumble and sway. I lost some fire on a long, hard day. But they believed in me when I had no fight, when my hands hung low in the fading light, when I sat too long, lost track of the climb, trading sweat and effort for borrowed time. That kind of rest don't feel like peace. It feels like quitting on the ones who believed. And I can't let that version of me stay. Not when love like that won't walk away. It wasn't laziness that held me still. It was getting back up that tested my will. The world don't stop when your engine stalls, and silence gets loud in the empty halls. I remembered my daughter watching my hands, my woman still trusting I'd stick to the plan. My daddy's old voice whispering in my head, son, real men keep going when the fire turns red. 'Cause they believed in me through the thick and thin, even when I forgot what it means to win. They didn't flinch, they didn't flee. They stood like roots in a shaking tree. That kind of love demands you rise, not feed it comfort, not sell it lies. So I'm standing back up, come what may, for the ones who never walked away. This ain't about pride, it's about grace, about owning your steps when you've fallen from pace. You don't rebuild trust with words or a song. You earn it back by proving them strong. They believed in me when I lost my spark, when the road felt heavy and the nights were dark. So I dig down deep, let the old fire breathe, work like hell till they can believe. No more drifting, no more delay. I owe them more than yesterday, for the faith they gave and the love they'd bleed. I'll be the man they believed I'd be.
Okay, so we've got these hardware cloth protective barriers made. I let this one slip down a little bit here, got a bow in it, but it'll be okay. Lots of ants in these ones. These were the windows in the aviary. So at the base plate, all at this end, lots and lots of ants. Got those pretty much out. And these will be perimeters around the seedling trees that we planted, so that the keep the rodents out of the trees and all. So this is 1/2-inch hardware cloth, just reusing some frames that were windows, and it has the large fencing on the other side of it as well. So I'm going to bring these over to the work area over there now, and then take this trash out as well, do a little bit of cleanup, and I'm not sure what else I'll do today, but I think I'll end this video here. Got a call from the shipping container place. They were thinking about coming and shipping tomorrow morning, but I think it's too muddy here. right now. I got to go check on the weather and see what we can do, and I've got to get some of the blocks down out and back where the shipping containers are going to go. So that's it for today's video, folks. Hope it wasn't too boring, and I hope you folks stay safe and take care. Bye bye now.